Alex here from Chicago Children's Museum, and today we are going to be playing with bubbles. We are going to make our own wand using an old hanger. This, adults may need to help, but I know you can do it. I used to have classrooms full of 6th and 7th graders undo hangers by themselves. What is it we love about bubbles? I like to think it's because they're temporary. What are other temporary things that we love that are like bubbles? Songs. You may love a song, but you're not focusing on when the song is going to end when you're loving it, right? Birthday parties and birthdays, they happen once a year. Does the fact that they end make them any less lovable? There's a beauty in the joy of something temporary. So maybe that's part of the reason we love bubbles, is that they don't last forever, and things we love don't have to last forever. Could it also be how they look? Why is it that a bubble bath is so much more special than a regular bath? Ah, there we go. Sometimes waiting can also be part of the beauty of bubbles, waiting to get that perfect one. So during times where we're stuck waiting, enjoying something temporary helps us remember that everything is temporary. But that doesn't mean the joy isn't worth it. If you're wondering other ways to play with bubbles, there's also a great video I'm going to share at the end of this. And then in our parenting playbook, where you can find information on how to make a great bubble solution and other activities to do with bubbles, look for Tabletop Bubbleologist. And what I'm trying to do right now is, one thing I learned from that is putting things inside bubbles. It takes practice, which again, isn't it still worth it if something takes a few tries? I think it is. Well, I'm getting there. Now, can we do a bubble inside the bubble? Nope, not yet. So if you're going to use a straw with your little, please remember to have them practice blowing out. Can I put something inside my bubble? If I get it wet, oh, maybe I can try covering something with a bubble. So that's it for me today. Just want to leave you with remembering mindfulness in very hard times is so important. Knowing that moments are temporary, but that's okay. And that things that bring you joy, like bubbles, are awesome. And that's why I love art. So I hope you'll enjoy our friend Theo and Laura at the end of this video and the bubble machine that they made. And if you make anything, please share to the Chicago Children's Museum. You can use an @ or a hashtag. Bye-bye.
Oh, we have a huge bubble. You see that?